Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be covering an engineering economics problem. So in this case, it says a school is going to build a library in 10 years with an estimated cost of $20,000, and the school is going to save money at an annual interest rate of 7.5% compounded annually. So we need to determine how much the school needs to deposit today in order to cover the expenses. So this one is actually quite straightforward. What you need to do is you need to go to your FE reference manual on page 230, and you're going to find the engineering economics formulas, as you can see here. So in this case, we're going to use this one right here because we were given the future value and we're converting to the present value. And as you can see, the formula that we're given is this one right here. Okay, so I just went ahead and wrote that formula here for us to make it easier. And basically, I'm going to show you the way that you use it. So you're just going to take the future value that you were given, which is the $20,000, and then you're going to multiply it by that formula. And the way that we plug in is I is going to be our interest rate. So in this case, it's going to be 0.075. because it's 7.5%, and then the n value is going to be, in this case, negative, and it's going to be -10 for 10 years. So once you plug these numbers in and you run the calculation, you're going to get the answer, which in this case is $9,700. So that is how much money needs to be deposited today to cover the $20,000 cost in 10 years. If you look at the multiple choice, the answer is D. So this one was a pretty straightforward problem for engineering economics. You just need to make sure you really know your way around the manual and how to use the formulas. If you would like to see more example problems like these in the future and some of the other concepts for all of the FE exam topics, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to leave a like and comment on any feedback or any suggestions for what you would like to see next. We will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.